Today we have a video from Police Insider, and the title of the video is Boyfriend Beater is Convinced Laws Don't Apply to Her.
It's no mystery that fights between couples can go south really quickly, but have you ever heard of a woman her child's father so brutally that his bones were visible through the cuts? This is exactly what happened in today's case, when officers arrived at an apartment complex only to follow a trail of blood that led them to 30-year-old Cedric, who was bleeding from multiple deep injuries. The story was only going to get darker from here.
What's going on, young man? You doing all right?
Yeah.
You live in these apartments right here?
No, the next one.
Next one down?
Yeah.
Okay. You just hanging out?
Yeah, I know.
All right.
No, I don't say that. This one.
Yeah. Who was you just talking to? Somebody? You just talked to somebody right here?
Yeah, I was talking to a ride.
You got blood all over you, bro.
Yeah.
What's going on? What happened, man? Where's the blood coming from? Is it your arm?
Yeah.
Can I see it? Is it a cut? What happened?
It's cut, but I'm gonna end up going to the hospital.
Okay, we're gonna have an ambulance come over here, man. What happened?
I'm sorry.
You ain't gonna tell me what happened?
She cut me and I left. I got on because it's a bad cut. It's a bad cut, and I'm not tripping. I'm not mad or nothing. It's up, man, because I keep being a good person and keep doing the right thing as a father. And I already got, it's my second child, and I'm just trying to do the right thing. But man, come on, bro. Like, I don't have time for that, and I told her I don't got time for that.
Police department. Police department.
Just like the first time when she cut me up, and I had to go to a hand doctor and like that. I don't want to get it.
Is that what that scar is?
Yes, that's what she stabbed me in my hand.
It looks swollen, dude. Is that broken?
Yeah, it's still broken. I still go man.
Was that like recent? It looks swollen.
Yeah, it's
Like a week ago?
about a month ago. I had to get surgery.
Did you hurt it again today during the altercation?
No, this been swollen. It takes time to heal, you know.
Yeah.
But I'm alright. I ain't tripping on. I'm good.
Close your eyes. I don't want the light to get in your eyes, man.
I don't know what happened to my ear.
I know. I'm just looking to see what your injuries are,
I
man.
just told her, why you doing that, bro? Like, and then you listen to a little female on the phone, like, come on, man. I ain't got time for that. I just want to go where I'm going and just let it go.
Hey, they just cut a light off in the room.
So they just cut a light off?
Yeah.
28-year-old Jasmine had bolted herself inside the apartment with her 6-month-old infant after trying to hack her boyfriend to death. It wasn't the first time that she had tried to kill him, and she knew that Cedric wouldn't press charges on the mother of his child and wanted to wait out the investigation in her room. But Cedric's sisters, who shortly reached the scene, were determined to change his mind.
You okay?
Again, man.
Oh yeah. Huh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Family pulling up now. Yeah, the cops got there, you know, that's good. Family pulling up, boy. This remind me of that case when the man who used to work at the gas station but ended up getting fired went to the gas station, got into it with his old coworker, and she ended up pulling, beating him up and all that type of stuff, whatever. And then the mom and sister ended up coming. Hey, if you ain't check out that video, listen, check it out. It's somewhere on the channel. But yeah. The mom and sister ended up pulling up. Oh yeah, they gonna pull up. They pulling up. You touch baby boy? Hold up. What? Oh, she stabbed. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, wait, hold on. What? Oh, the sister's pulling up. They pulling up. Yo, you got the right one today.
I got it on record. I recorded them talking on my mom's phone. Look.
Of the last incident was
So she got locked up for stabbing him again?
We have officers over on talking to her, figuring out what's going on.
yeah, you need to. We know you love that baby, but you need to think about you.
Talking about he got personal trauma.
Hey, for real, that girl need help. She got a problem. She need help, man.
When I see this, she's done.
told you.
I need to see the light. She's
My boy got 3 sisters.
Reason you like it, he got a whole plate in his hand where she just stabbed him in the hand. He just had surgery. Girl is crazy.
Yeah, we're gonna handle it.
So, what happened right here? See that she hit him with a car?
All right, guys, can we? You guys can see him just a second.
Come on, because I got pictures. You gonna press
that's the mom.
charges or either somebody gonna do it. No more lies. Because somebody about to get killed, bro. Your life is important. I know you love that baby, but you ain't gonna even be here to even enjoy the baby or see her grow up. Hey, come on, man. She me and you with that baby all day long, bro.
This police department. You say you're doing what?
I'm giving my daughter a bath.
I need you to open the door. I need you to put your daughter down and open the door.
No, I'm not going to do that.
Okay, well, I'm going to come inside. I'm getting the key, okay? Don't worry about it. I'm going to get a key and I'm going to come in, okay? So you can open the door. We're going to come in. Okay.
The cut on Cedric's broken hand was so deep that his forearm bone was visible. He was moved into an ambulance for urgent care where he finally revealed the reason behind the stabbing.
She got a lot of issues, mental issues. There's a whole newborn baby in there, man. Like, for real, this not right. I got pictures in my phone.
Hold on once.
From about 3 weeks.
Y'all can him?
That's my brother. These are his nieces.
Okay. Question.
Oh, that's the brother. Oh, that's the sister.
Could y'all take custody of that child tonight if we had to place that child somewhere?
Of course, I will. Yes.
Okay, thank you.
They got the same mama, same daddy.
Who else in that house?
To my daughter.
Do you have a key? Because if you got a key, I'm going to knock that door down.
I ain't got no key.
Where the key at?
I ain't got no key.
So do you mind us leaving your daughter with your sister, the one in the purple shirt?
Yeah.
Because we going in the house.
Yeah.
So I'm trying to do it as least violent as possible.
God damn, bro. What? Damn, bro. What? Whoa. What my boy here eat? Yo. What bro man been eating right here? Hold up. Hold up. Bruh. God damn, it look like he just been. Damn, all you eating is chicken? Chicken and steaks, nigga. Like, hold up. Hey, I respect it, man. Taking your house serious.
With your sister, the one in the purple shirt? Because we going in the house. So I'm trying to do it as least violent as possible. So if you got a key, let me know you got a key so we ain't.
Boy, you in the wrong field, my boy. You better get in law enforcement. You better be a CO or something or a cop, something. You need to, yeah, you in the wrong field, my boy. You know, that the whole ambulance thing, yeah, that's cool. That's cool. You know what I'm saying? But we need you in them prisons. We need you out here with a police uniform on or something. Even a fireman. We something. God damn. What the hell?
To do that.
I ain't got no key.
Okay. All right. What she stabbed you for?
She stabbed me over an argument because I'm on the phone with my sister now.
Okay.
She talking about they ain't got my back. And I'm like, this my family. Like, come on, I don't get into your conversation. So she like, give me the phone. I'm like,
okay.
Bruh, it's not that serious. So she grabbed the knife.
Right.
And she put a knife on me.
Hold on. Did they get a picture? I need to get a picture of that before you put it up. I need to see that.
Right, it's still bleeding.
Yeah, I got you. All right, good.
I said, bro, it's not that serious. And then she talking about giving me the phone.
What's her birthday?
Because she already broke my phone before.
What's her birthday? When her birthday?
He don't want
No,
to.
you gotta do what's best.
He don't want to
like
give
I said,
information.
We gonna go in the house. We gonna
My
find.
kid.
I know you do this. Why you need to work with me? When is your girlfriend's birthday?
I don't even.
How long you been with her?
Almost a year.
So you know when her birthday is. Tell my birthday, dude. 'Cause I'm telling you, we gonna find out one way or another. I'd rather have as much information about us as possible before I go in there.
I don't even know it.
All right. What month?
Cedric couldn't recall his baby mama's birthday, not even the month or the year, nor did he have a key to the apartment. Time was running out as more than an hour had passed since the officers had arrived, and they had to make sure the 6-month-old was safe from her maniacal mother.
One more time, please.
Oh, my boy kicked it off the hinges, boy.
Jasmine, open the door. This is the police department. Jasmine.
Oh, time to boom it. Woo! Off the hinges, boy.
Police! Police! Right there. Police! Come out! Show me your hands. Get up! Get up! Get up! Come out!
What are you doing?
Come on, go up.
What are you doing? Come on. What are you doing? My daughter's in the room.
Get close.
My daughter's in the room. She's 6 months old. What are you doing?
Look at us. Put your hands up here.
Why'd you break down my girlfriend?
We've been banging on your door the whole time.
I gave my daughter a bath. I told y'all I was doing that.
Yep. We also told you.
Open the door. No, I don't got no weapons. Open the door.
Are you in charge here?
Can you open the door?
You are you?
No.
You done lost your opportunity for that. Put your other hand behind your back.
Why?
Do not move.
I didn't do nothing. My daughter's in there.
I understand.
My baby girl is right there.
Yep. You lost the opportunity for that.
Why? Because I didn't open my front door?
Exactly.
Legally, I don't have
Put our place under arrest.
All right.
Do you have any weapons on you?
No, and you know I don't. I was just taking care of my kids, so you know I don't. Pat me up and down. Fill me up, weirdo. Fill me up, weirdo. Fill me up, weirdo.
I know.
No, touch between my legs, little weirdo. Go ahead.
She sound like a
My
man.
baby girl's right there. Please don't touch my daughter.
So that we don't have to call DFAX?
Why would you have to?
Because we got to do something with her. Who do we call? Your mom?
Her dad just choked me and left the apartment.
Okay.
And I've been in here by myself since then.
Can you answer our question so we know what to do with the baby, or we got to call DFAX?
Can you look at my neck before you just charge me and put guns on me?
To talk about that.
I gave her a bath like I do every night.
Ma'am, who can we leave the child with?
His sister, the victim's sister, is outside.
Okay. She was willing to take the child.
No, nobody from his family touches kids. Okay? His family touches kids. My family needs to take her, please.
So, where does
His family touches kids.
Gwinnett.
Gwinnett, and she will come here right now if you call her. Call her.
Okay.
Call my mom, please. I gave her a bath. I changed her clothes. Why are you throwing me in handcuffs like I did something?
One of the walls inside the apartment was also slashed similar to a knife, with blood splatters surrounding it. And while the weapon still hadn't been located, the argumentative female was convinced that all the officers were discriminating against her.
Where's some diapers and stuff?
Who cares? You don't give a You don't give a You don't care.
That's why I'm asking.
You do not care, bro. You don't care.
You got clothes in the closet right there to the
You
left.
don't give a Those clothes don't fit her. Y'all don't care. She's 6 months old. He just choked me out. I got choke marks all around my neck. Let's go out here and talk about it. Come on, let's talk about it. Do you see my neck? You see my neck? You see choke marks around my neck? I'm light skinned as hell. Do you not see this just choked me out in front of my daughter? Y'all don't see nothing? Y'all don't see nothing? You don't see no choke. Can you please pull my shirt down a little bit, please?
Pull it down?
Yeah, right there. Just in the corner. Nobody sees that he choked me out in front of my daughter.
Well, we weren't here to see anybody choking, but we see the big gash on his arm from you stabbing him.
I didn't touch him, man.
Okay. Well, you should have
I
opened
didn't
it.
touch him at all.
You should have opened the door to talk to us when we tried to talk to you.
Why should I open the door when I know y'all gonna call DFAX?
Avoid this. That's why.
I know y'all are gonna call DFAX.
It's the easy way or the hard way. You chose the hard way. Don't put
I didn't want my daughter to be going through the system because we're black and I know y'all are gonna do this.
You gonna fall back?
It's not the black card. I just know I'm a first time mom and I know my daughter is my first kid.
Okay.
And I know if I open the door, having ring,
No, it's 2 sides to every story.
I know having marks around my throat.
Calm down. I know that he got a gash.
I know having marks around my throat and me having a kid in here and this lease is in my name, y'all will side with him.
You think so?
I feel like that.
Okay.
I did. That's why I didn't open the door.
Okay, well,
so I'll be the criminal.
That's fine.
I'll be that. You don't give a stop rocking my daughter because you don't care.
Okay.
The baby's fine. She's fine. Nobody's hurt.
The baby's fine.
So we're fixing to bring her out. Well, I need to ask y'all a favor because this has been bad enough. That's what I was gonna say. Can y'all just go? I don't care if you go right over there by that truck.
Okay.
Okay, well, that's
Because we're gonna come out and go that way. All right. And
well,
she's
how you
very.
gonna get the baby?
We're gonna talk about that in a second, okay?
Okay.
Does the mom get to decide?
Just for the short term, because we got the baby all separated and everything, but we just got to bring her out and get her in the car.
Okay. And then
Okay.
they gonna bring you the baby.
Whatever. If she says some just
Yeah, we ain't.
don't even engage, okay?
We not. She having the worst night than us. She going to jail.
Is there marks on her?
On my neck. He choked me out. He tried to kill me in here. And this is my
We're
apartment.
gonna take pictures of you next, okay? Turn and face him. He's gonna use the camera right there.
He always chokes me, man. This is my apartment. Me and my daughter live here. He always chokes me.
Get the other side. You got any other marks on you besides that?
Yeah.
Where at?
But I can't show you because I got handcuffs on me now. Why you holding my daughter like you care? And you don't. You black, right? You care, right?
Go for it.
You don't care.
Okay.
Look at my daughter in her eyes and tell her you care.
Let's go. Step in the shoes. Let's go. That's enough.
Call my mom, please.
We've been out here long enough.
I didn't do nothing to this man. This man, I got choke marks on my throat and everything. But all right.
We got the information. Go ahead and bring out the blanket. And she got a car seat.
Yeah, I got them waiting to the right real far.
I'll walk them over there.
Okay.
We'll get her stuff in.
All right. Yeah, go ahead, take a seat. Go ahead,
Are you going to take care of my kid? Are y'all going to take care of my daughter? Y'all going to put her in the system or y'all actually going to call my mom?
We're going to relieve her to somebody. Need you to step in the vehicle, ma'am.
Y'all don't give a He tried to kill me. Keep the seatbelt off. You don't care. He tried to kill me. You don't care. You don't care.
Hey, Titi.
She don't
We'll take this out.
Got some baby lotion for shower. So there's some in that.
Y'all couldn't find the rest of the
We haven't gone quite that far yet. I'm gonna throw a few more of these. These are long with the feet.
Yeah.
Because we couldn't really find socks. I'm gonna throw those in there. Look in there and see what's in there. Is there milk in there? There's 1 bottle, 2 bottles,
Yeah.
and formula. Okay.
That's good. That's good at least for a night or two till the daddy get out and he know what's what.
Y'all don't give a this man just tried to kill me. Y'all don't give a that I got a child in there, bro. You're protecting and serving, right? You just choked me on in front of my daughter. You're giving her up to where? Yeah, jam to some black music, stupid.
37 cancel. I'll be signal 82, 1 Bravo Foxtrot from this location to Ackworth ADC.
Jam!
Starting mileage 83013.4.
Jam to some black music. Jam to some black music.
28-year-old Jasmine continued her racist rant all the way to jail. She was charged with aggravated assault with a weapon and 3rd degree.
Come on, man. Crazy. That child need to go to the dad, but child will probably still remain with the mom. You know, that's how the world is made up nowadays. You know, but yeah, man, sad situation. But the police did a great job, man. They boomed her door. Boom! Oh, got her together, boy. Don't move, boy. Might have to send you to the afterlife. Don't move. Yeah, man. So I'm gonna get officers 5 out of 5, man. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did. I'm glad you made it till the end of the video. Before you go, if you want early access to YouTube videos before they get let out to the public, please consider becoming a channel member. And if you want exclusive access to videos that will not be on YouTube, please consider becoming a Patreon member. And I'll catch you in the next video. The links are in the description box.